Elon Musk's dominance in space and internet technology is unprecedented, but it comes with a price. As SpaceX's Starlink satellites continue to proliferate, concerns are growing about the potential consequences of his monopoly. The recent near collision between a European Space Agency satellite and a Starlink satellite highlights the risks of space debris and the potential for catastrophic collisions. With SpaceX launching its 10,000th Starlink satellite, the total number of active satellites orbiting Earth is expected to reach 100,000 by 2030, raising fears of a Kessler Syndrome scenario where a single collision triggers a chain reaction of collisions, rendering low Earth orbit uninhabitable. This could have devastating effects on global communication networks and space exploration. Musk's control over two-thirds of all active satellites is a cause for concern, as it gives him immense power over critical infrastructure and geopolitics. His actions in Ukraine, where Starlink has become essential for military communications, have sparked controversy, with some accusing him of exacerbating the conflict. The potential for abuse of power and over-reliance on SpaceX's services is a significant issue. As rivals establish their own mega-constellations, the risk of Kessler Syndrome and the release of harmful chemicals into the atmosphere increases. Experts warn that better models are needed to forecast satellite re-entries and their impact on the environment. Despite SpaceX's advanced systems for controlling satellites, the potential consequences of Musk's dominance in space and internet technology are far-reaching and require careful consideration and regulation.